Devarsh Vakil, who is our deputy research head, who will give us the outlook on the market based on derivatives. So before starting, we'll brief you the flow for today. Firstly, before Mr. Devash Vakil gives us the outlook on the market, I will brief you and give you a small demo of one of the useful features in Pro Terminal. Pro Terminal is a trading platform which is our advanced trading portal, mainly designed for futures and option traders. And post that, we'll have an outlook on the market, and then we will cover the question answer session. Whatever questions you have, whatever doubts you have, you can clarify all of your doubts. So we'll open the forum for that in the end. So let's start with the session. So I'll just share my screen. Today I will give you a brief about one of the important features of our Pro Terminal. Sorry. So one of the important features of our Pro Terminal, which you will be able to identify if you are a trader in futures and options, mainly in option trading strategies. So how you can identify option trading strategies based upon the view you have. So there are n number of option trading strategies to trade upon in the market. You can trade various option trading strategies. However, to understand all this strategy, it's very much difficult for you. So in order to overcome this challenge, what we have designed one analytical tool wherein you just have to you just have to feed in the view you have on the market, and based upon that, we will recommend what kind of an option trading strategy will be suitable for you based upon the risk and reward you select. So now let us look. Now this is a Pro Terminal platform of our HDFC securities. Now under market, there is one tab called as strategies. So once you click on strategies, it will showcase you to what strategy, in which stock you want to design strategy, that is in FNO strategy. So suppose I want to design for Reliance. So I will select stock as Reliance. Now they will ask you the target date and the target price. Now if I have a target price that I think that Reliance till 22nd of March can go till 2450. So I just have to define this both field, the target date and the target price. And once I decide this, and once I click here on strategies, it will automatically circulate what kind of strategies is suitable based upon the criteria which I have set on the time frame also, which I have defined. So based upon that, it will showcase me some of the strategies to play into Reliance Industries. Now in these strategies, there are various strategies available with the strike price to buy, strike price to sell, and it will also give you all the statistics like payoff chart. Will also give you what is the probability of profit, what is the probability of maximum profit, what is the probability of maximum loss, what is the first break even point, after that you will start making money. So here it will showcase you all the important details of the strategy. And now if you want to toggle between based upon this priority rank, suppose you want your first priority is safety and your second priority suppose is profit. So you can just toggle upon this priority rank, and then click here on the strategies. So based upon the priority, you will be given the strategies. Now if I have a probability of a maximum size of maximum profit, and if that is my priority, then if I select this priority as my rank one, and based upon that, if I click as a strategy, then it will showcase me different strategies based upon the priority I set. So it's a very interesting tool. Now no need to basically memorize all these strategies which are available in the futures and options, because there are, as I told, there are n number of strategies which you can trade upon. But here with our Pro Terminal, we have simplified this by just you just have to specify the target date and the price which you are looking for a particular stock. And also you can prioritize some of the rank which are there on the four terms we have given you to prioritize. the probability, the safety, profit, and return. Based upon that, what is your priority? You can set your priority, and then you need to click here. You need to click here for the strategies. So once you click these strategies, you will be getting all the possible strategy which you can do in this particular stock. So that was from my end about option trading strategies in the pro terminal. Now I will hand over to Mr. Devarsh Vakil to provide us on the weekly FNO outlook on the market. Over to you, sir.
Right. Thank you, Tarang. Is my screen visible?
Yes,
Correct?
yes, it is visible. It is visible, and you are also audible.
Okay. All right. So let's start. As we have given a cautious outlook last week, now we are seeing the first sign of recovery in the market. Markets are showing after continuously 9 sessions of fall. Today was the first session where we have seen some kind of short covering. The first rise in the open interest with Nifty rising 0.8% today. But the most interesting thing is not in the Nifty. Actually, Bank Nifty is showing a fantastic movement. The As you see on the expiry 23rd February, we had about 28 lakh share open interest, and in just 3 sessions, we are seeing that the almost 70% addition which we have seen in the Bank Nifty. So, and Bank Nifty has actually started outperforming the Nifty because Bank Nifty has already risen 1.7% compared to Nifty. So, Bank Nifty is where the maximum action is. For Nifty, we are seeing some kind of support. So, we are for tomorrow and for this March expiry, 17,300 should be the stop loss. If tomorrow, because of the weak global cues, markets come down, then you can create long position near 17,300. 17,600 is the place where maximum calls have been written, 17,600 and 17,800, while puts have been written at 17,300 and 400. So this will act as a support, 300. If market comes down, we can create long position for tomorrow and for the March end expiry. Around 17,600 to 800 we can find resistance, but the important thing is to create positions in the Bank Nifty side. So we saw that the FIs have created short position of about 2,600 crore with about 18,000 contract being sold in the Nifty. On the other end, we are seeing that they have actually started covering their shorts, and they have already bought 236 crore worth of Bank Nifty, and around 500 contracts they've gone long. So uh, basically, FIs are still short on the Nifty. Today, after in the evening, I'm expecting some kind of short covering. So if you see the long to short ratio, which was at 0.24, another 3 days, they have again created short positions. So from end of the January series, where they had a huge long position, during the whole of February, they remained short. And for first 3 sessions, they are short. Um, they continue to build their short position on the Nifty side. So here I am expecting some kind of short covering, but the important thing, as we mentioned, it is into the Bank Nifty side. Here we are more bullish. We think that people tomorrow, if market comes down, you create long position around 40,000 level. There is a lot of put writing. We expect Bank Nifty to continue to outperform Nifty. So for this week, tomorrow's expiry, rather than focusing on Nifty, maybe we can look at Bank Nifty, or somebody who is looking to hedge their position. Long Bank and short Nifty could be also a good strategy to play for tomorrow. If market comes down, then you can create the position around 40,000 level. Here also we see that the 40,400, 40,500 kind of lot of puts have been written. The Nifty's close, Bank Nifty's close is 40,700. So about 200 to 300 point lower. Lot of puts have been written. That indicates that the support is going to come in around this level. So if on the because of some global cues market comes down, you create long position and hope for at least 41,000 to 41,000 during the March month after tomorrow's expiry. So uh, to summarize, we are looking at first sign of short covering. There could be a bounce in the market in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, and we are looking at more towards Bank Nifty for a creating bullish position for not only for tomorrow's expiry but for overall March expiry. If it comes down, if Bank Nifty were to go up to higher levels at around 41,200, at that time you can create liquidate the positions which you create tomorrow. That's it from my side. Tarang, we can now open it up for questions.
Yeah, so thank you, sir, for providing us the view on the market. Now we'll open this forum for question and answer session. So if anyone has any kind of questions, we'll request you to please write it down on the question answer panel, which is there on the right hand side of your screen. So you can just write it down and we'll try to cover as many questions as possible. So Mr. Vinod Aswana, there was one question is asking, hi, could you please show the option strategy window again in Pro Terminal? Yeah, surely we'll show this. Yeah, thank you. So this is basically this is a Pro Terminal platform, which is a web-based platform. So suppose you want to go into the option strategy tab. So here under market, you can go to strategies. So here under strategies, firstly you will be asked what stock you want to see the strategy or you want to trade upon. So suppose you take as Bank Nifty over here. Now you initiate a Bank Nifty, you have a target that at 22nd or on the expiry day on 29th of March, we have a target. If Bank Nifty reaches to 41,500, then what is the ideal strategy we should do? Now you need to set the priority ranking based upon your priority. So based upon it, what exactly you want first? You want there should be higher probability of maximize chances of maximum probability of of profitability. So you click here the strategies, click here for strategies. So based upon the strategies will get auto populated. There will be 4 to 5 strategies which will be auto populated based on the priority you set and the target price you set. And you can check you can check all those things, and if any of the strategy suits you based upon the probability of what is the probability of maximum profit, what is the maximum profit for the strategy, what is the maximum loss. So if you check, if you do this strategy, there is only 157 rupees is the maximum loss, however maximum profit is 2340. So here you can just select based on your risk and reward probability, and then select the strategy you want. So I hope it is now clear. So, one more question by Mr. Sridharam. Does Pro Terminal has implied volatility, HV and IVP? Only implied volatility is there in Pro Terminal. You can check here in the option chain. However, historical volatility and IVP is not available in is not available in the Pro Terminal. So, if you go to the option chain, in the option chain you can see the implied volatility. You can also check delta, gamma, theta, vega, various Greeks of the particular strikes, and also IVs. But yeah, HV and IVP is not available. So one more question by Mr. Manas. Many important data points came up in the presentation. If I need to revisit them, where can I refer to the recordings? So yeah, this is a YouTube live session which is going on. If you want to refer post this session also, you can go to your YouTube and under HDFC Securities channel, you can see this video which is there, which is uploaded there. So Mr. Mustafa is asking how to make covered call with Nifty future and Nifty call. So Devarsh sir, can you just give us the brief about what is covered call strategy and how we can initiate covered call strategy?
Right, sure. So basically, when you are going long on a future, say you are bullish on the market, but you are not very extremely bullish. You are have a moderate bullish view, and you want to hedge your long future position with some kind of a option premium you want to receive and cover some of the possibility of losses. That's where the Nifty bull spread, Nifty covered call strategy comes in. What is the covered call? Here we basically go long on a Nifty future, also simultaneously sell higher calls to provide the some kind of premium which we receive. Now, many times it is possible that you are bullish on the in an instrument, but you are not very bullish, and you think that it is unlikely to cross some level. At that time, you can cover this position. For example, right now, say Nifty is trading at 17,500 level. You create long position by going long on a future. Simultaneously, you think that the Nifty is unlikely to cross 18,000 level in this expiry. So you go to options market and sell simultaneously 18,000 call option. This is called a covered call strategy. This is important when you are moderately bullish on the markets or any instrument. You can do this on stocks also. So for example, say Reliance is trading at 2,500 levels and you think that it will not cross 3,000 level. You can go long on future with 2,500 level and simultaneously sell the 3,000 call. Now, these kind of strategies there are many other strategies also. You can also do a protected put strategy in which apart from buying long, say going long on an instrument like say Reliance, you also simultaneously buy the same strike price put option so that if it were to go down, then your downside is protected. For taking that protection, you have to spend the premium of the put option which is available in the market. Usually 2 to 3% is the cost of the premium for the near term expiry. So by spending that 3%, you are basically hedging your downside and allowing your profits to run on the upper side. So this is called covered put or a protective put strategy. So similar strategies are there available in the derivatives. And if you understand this, if you have a view, there is many option strategies available to express your view. In cash markets, you can only go long or go short in the sense that you can go long on the stock or sell it once you have it. There are no ways you can create different views on the market, but in derivatives market with the help of future and option instrument, you can actually create a different view, moderately bullish view, moderately bearish view, a larger longer term bullish view, or this is the only market where you can express your view on the short side also. So when like January and February month, markets were actually trending down, cash market investors do not have any option just to remain cash or keep holding their stocks. But here in the derivatives, you can use the options to protect your portfolio also. So there are various strategies. Covered call and protective put are one of the two well-known strategies, bull spread and bear spread being the others. You can use these kind of strategies to express your view and earn out of the derivatives market.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Very well explained. So we'll move on to the next question. One more question by Mr. Saju is how to execute the selected strategy. So here there is basically you need to execute from the single order window only. So either you execute, there are two ways to execute it. Firstly, you can execute on a single order window. Each leg you can execute individually, or else you can go to our empowered portal where there is an basket order functionality. You can use this basket order functionality to execute multi-leg strategy in a one single order window. So how you can do it? So under equity, this is our M-powered portal, which is our normal web trading portal. Under equity, you can select basket order. Now, whatever basket I had, I'll just cancel the basket first. I'll make a new basket. Extremely sorry. So I will make a new basket first. One sec. So I'm extremely sorry. So first I will make a new basket. So here I will first select, suppose I want to initiate a strategy wherein I want to buy 17,500 call option and simultaneously sell 17,600 call option of monthly expiry. So how I can do it in a one single order window. So here you need to select option index under Nifty, select 29th March. 17,500 call option. Now here you will be able to see whatever the price it is at current market price. Now suppose you want to buy at 236 rupees, you need to add this order. Then same way you want to sell 17,800 call option of Nifty. So which is quoting at 96. Suppose you want to sell it at 95. You need to add this order, then save this basket. So once a basket has been saved, and you then have to go to place order basket, select both this leg together, and now place the order. So once you do this, all both of the orders will be placed into the system simultaneously. So you can execute it in a one single order window. One more question, Mr. Chan, by Mr. Chan, how to toggle from pro terminal back to normal terminal. So this is what we have done earlier also. So here, if you click on pro terminal, it will land it to you in the pro terminal page. And once you click on empowered over here, it will land you to the empowered, which is a normal trading platform. Uh, So how to place basket orders in Pro Terminal? So in Pro Terminal, we don't have this functionality of basket orders. You can basically place this order only in entry and empowered. By one more question by Mr. Mustafa is, can we create basket orders when the market are closed? No, basket orders can only be created when the market are open. We cannot place a basket orders when the market are closed. So I think there are no more questions.
Basket, right?
So shall we conclude?
Yeah, Tarang, you just saved your basket, right? You can save it and place it when the market opens.
Yeah. So one, yeah, that we can do it. Rightly pointed out. If you want, you can save it in the market hours, as I did today. I have saved this basket, and once the market open, I can place this order once the market opens. So that I can do it. But yeah, we cannot place this order before the market opens. Yeah. So
All
we
right.
don't have any more questions. So shall we conclude?
Yeah, please.
So thank you all. Thank you for attending this session. I hope it's useful. Being tomorrow being the expiry, and the market has been a volatile times. Hope this outlook is useful to you all to trade in the market and to trade in your futures and option strategies for tomorrow and for next week also. So thank you, sir, for providing us the view of the market, and thank you all for attending this session. Thank you. Have a nice day.